Hey, Desiree, Daniel here. I hope you're having a great morning. Looks like your sales are kicking too, and I get the feeling that it's only the beginning, so I'm excited for you. Um, we did so much last night to your digital infrastructure that I figured the only way to really give you time to absorb it would be to make a quick video. So, watch this once or twice, get a feel for what's going on, and then we can jump on a call when you think it makes sense. Really quickly, let's start with your website, your home base. A lot of kind of tiny things we call CRO, conversion rate cleanup, but just making the whole experience a lot cleaner and consistent. I activated the white header up here before your navigation was hidden. That was a bit of a problem. And I got rid of that top bar. I love the top bar when you have an actual announcement, but that creates a lot of space, especially on mobile phones. So don't just run it randomly. So cleaner homepage, this whole landing experience, we really cleaned up. We want to be very, very direct about what you do, both for the customer and the kind of SEO value. So I don't know if this is ideal. I like it, but feel free to change it. But don't go with something so brandy yet. Try to be very, very direct. And a big old classy button that says buy the sub safe. We want to be very, very clear and engaging with these call to actions. And of course, we have this really kick-ass kind of lifestyle image that you guys have on the background with the overlay so the text pops up nicely. So no more of that. You can't really see the text. So let's kind of go through the front page. We kind of cleaned up the copy a little bit, but not much. We like these areas. I did kind of shrink these down to be a medium. They were so big that it was just kind of tough to navigate your page. You want to keep it small and consistent. Change the call to action to read FAQ because it was a little more, and you want to tell people exactly where they're going. And shop now. So I also changed all these to be these secondary type of buttons. You want to keep the focus on the big buy primary button for the website. We keep going. All this is nice and good, stayed the same. I did add the snippet on here. This looked really empty where it just kind of had the headers and a big blank section. This stayed the same. I really would like to have a simpler Instagram plugin, the one that just shows all the image in a nice format. This is a little long, but it's not a big deal. Put a better image down here. Follow the lifestyle. We really want to stick to that brand. And then I added a few things to your footer. Obviously, buy the sub-safe button. We always want to encourage people to buy and send to a friend. So this one's cool. You click it there. And, I actually got to replace the link. I put the wrong one. But what it'll do, it'll actually create an email. You'll see in 1 second. Once it opens up, whatever your default email provider is, and shares it with somebody. Check out the sub-safe. Hey friend, I found this product and I thought you'd love and want to share. The ultimate cooler sandwich protector. Always safe, never soggy. Boom, URL. So it's a pre-filled email for your customers or users on here. I'll change that. That's actually supposed to jump instantly. I switched the platform that I did it with, but let's fix it right now. So all of that. Also on the navigation here, I changed it from shop now to buy sub-safe, and I added a share on Facebook, which will auto share sub-safe on Facebook. We really want to keep getting this product out. It's a very nice social product. Moving on, your products. We now have these beautiful professional photoshopped images. All our subjects are SEO friendly and consistent. So it's really starting to look like a well done kind of digital infrastructure. You click on each product, you get these extremely high definition product images. We have the brand there, full size, top, angle, full size of the box. It's looking really good. Again, good description. Really beefed it up here. Ultimately, I think we want to open this up some space, but this template doesn't give us a lot of that, but really good description. This is going to provide a lot of sales value and SEO. And we even threw the video in there, which is a no-brainer. We got to just hammer this video everywhere we can at the moment. So you see everything just really starts to look professional. And to us, now it feels like a $20 product that we want to buy. So we did that for every product. They're extremely consistent. So now if I click into the green, you're actually going to have that same flow of images, the same total experience. Really shows that we're professionals here with what we're doing. And then the big one. So really cool, all four, awesome description, and some really cool kind of lifestyle images we threw on here. So I think for the website, that was the main meat of it. On the back end of the website, we updated all your SEO. So here are your actual new title tags and descriptions. They've all been implemented, but it takes Google a little bit to actually push it. It may be, 5 days, 10 days, and this won't look like this. It's actually going to look like a full descriptive metadata. On that same SEO topic, we submitted your website to Google, which is huge. You can see it ranked all the web pages, and it's still adding the images. It's up to 5. Very important. We want to know this. So it's still not indexed, but the sitemap has been submitted. It'll take a few days for Google to really kind of absorb it. It's a brand new website, but you can tell we submitted the sitemap, and it knows that we submitted all 16 web pages. So we'll keep a tab on that, and I'll let you know as soon as it gets indexed. This is going to be huge for us. Think about, we're going to start ranking for a whole bunch of these really good terms that we've been researching. Sandwich Tupperware, sub-safe sandwich, and their search volume. Now that Google will begin to understand who we are and what we do. Awesome. So we got SEO out of the way. Let's move that here. We got your website kicking butt, which is awesome. I'll remember to fix that footer. Let's keep going through. Analytics. We have your analytics set up properly. This is really cool, and Shopify makes it awesome. I know you have some analytics inside Shopify, and they're decent. As you get more advanced, you'll realize that you'll be spending a lot more time here. It only has data from yesterday and today because it's brand new, but we're gonna be able to see all our users, our sessions, all the regular stuff you see in analytics. I'm sorry, in Shopify, but everything from demographics to age groups to geo locations, which I think is really, really important for you guys. You can dig into the country, see where most of our traffic comes from, even do this based on orders. There's Florida. We can look at our acquisition channels. This is probably one of the most important reports, whether it's social, organic, direct, referral, and what's driving the transactions, right? And organic for us right now, at least for the last 2 days, is kicking butt. Organic is basically people on Google search. All the way down to the behavior on the website. So really, really cool stuff. And we can look at conversions based on e-commerce, and it'll basically give us all types of data as we go on here. So you can see the value packs sold, its revenue, the sub-safe, everything you would expect from a really good analytics implementation. So that is going to be big. You may want to get comfortable with analytics. I think it's going to be a huge, huge value to your business. We did SEO. Okay, Facebook. So you go here, you click here. We can see everything that's installed on your website. So your Google AdWords pixel, your custom audiences, your Google dynamic remarketing, your AdWords list, your Google Tag Manager. It's about to stop, so give me a second here.